Welcome back to The Blend. All right, we've all seen our fair share of police shows. Suspect is arrested and the cop reads them their rights. Don't take those Miranda rights for granted. A mere 53 years ago, a landmark case helped to inform people of their legal rights at the point of detainment.
David Kohlmeyer and attorney Ryan Helmick are here with the Defenders law firm. Good morning, guys. Great to have you.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, so our Miranda rights. So today is actually the 53rd anniversary of that ruling. We throw the term around a lot. You need to be read your Miranda rights.
Right.
But I don't know, let's take a step back and talk about what it really is about.
Sure, that's a very good question. The Miranda decision was probably one of the most well-known, biggest decisions in the criminal justice system in the United States history. Everybody knows about it. It's in the movies, in TV, on everything. I was talking to my mom last night, and she knew about it. What it means is, when somebody is arrested, they have to be read their rights to remain silent and the right to have an attorney present. Before Miranda, I thought of an analogy earlier. Basically, it's like being in a boxing ring and allowing low blows.
Yeah.
Okay, so Miranda prevents low blows, so to speak. Okay, so it's a protection that works all across the board. And it's a very important protection that I think people have to understand, and it's there for everybody.
Absolutely. So exactly what are your thoughts on the Miranda warning in general? I mean, they're very important for the end user there. Do you think that a person should stay silent in case they are arrested? What's your belief?
Absolutely. I mean, the thing is that police officers are trained to get the information that they need from a person or that they want to extract from a person. And regardless of whether that person is innocent or guilty, they should at least consult with a lawyer first. That's the right thing to do, and then proceed from that part.
And we know this is true because David, retired police officer.
Correct.
So tell us about you. I mean, your thoughts on the Miranda rights and how this worked in your profession.
I mean, basically, I was a police officer for 17 years in law enforcement in New York City and actually in Henderson. And I think it's really important that people need to know their Miranda rights. A lot of people do not know the laws, especially the new generation. You know, they don't know Fifth Amendment, Sixth Amendment, Bill of Rights, the Constitution. They don't know about that stuff. So I think it's really important for people to know their rights. And, you know, like police officers have a job to do in general, to protect us in general. But the bottom line is most people do not know their rights, and they need to be educated a little bit. And today is that kind of the anniversary of that decision back in 1966, and it helps people today. And everyone should know their rights. And I'm very pro-attorney in regards to that. If you have a problem, that you need to reach out to, you know, a law firm that basically knows what they're doing to educate you through the process. The justice system is not perfect whatsoever, and I do say that you have to survive the justice system one way or the other, whether it's an accident or if you're arrested. And I just think that you need someone to guide you through the process. So I think it's really important, and I think today basically is the anniversary, knowing that Miranda rights and the warning basically is still important today. You know, from back in 1963 when the incident happened, and 1966 was the decision. So I think today we all are, protected. Our liberties are protected because of this, extra right that we have.
See, I can see how great it is for the defenders to have you working alongside with them. You're bringing this whole different perspective to the clients and to the attorneys, I would imagine, in the firm. So what is your role working one-on-one with folks at the law firm?
So basically, I'm a liaison between the clients and between the attorneys. So, a lot of times attorneys are busy in the courtroom, in the morning and the afternoon, and basically they need help. They need guidance in general, and people are upset. A lot of times people are coming to the office at their worst times, and they're crying, they're upset, they need help, they have no clue what to do for their family member that's been arrested. And there are a lot of people that do make false allegations. We deal with it every single day. Ryan and I and the other attorneys meet with people, and basically they're saying how this person made a false allegation. I didn't do it. The police have called me. I don't know what to do. Can you help? And the bottom line is the attorneys are amazing at the firm. I'm proud to be part of the Defenders and Richard Harris of the firm. And I believe that people need to protect their rights, protect themselves. And whatever we can do, we help as much as possible, whether it's, getting people back up and running, getting a job or getting housing, like whatever we need to help people, because especially tourists. Tourists come to town, they get stranded.
Yeah.
They lose their passport, you know, they don't have ID, they can't get into a hotel room.
Oh, sure.
So things happen, and the bottom line is we're here to help, and I'm trying to go above and beyond to help for our customer service, client relations, but the attorneys are the ones that go to court and basically make things happen to protect people.
And it's worth noting you guys offer free consultation, so if you find yourself in a little bit of legal hot water, want to know what your options are, you can reach out to the defenders, correct?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, we're in the business of defending people, not crimes. It's like David said, some of the people that come into our office have made a bad decision in their life, and they have consequences. Unfortunately, we try to soften that blow.
Yeah.
Some people are wrongfully charged, and they're stuck in this nightmare. And our goal is to wake them up from that.
Absolutely.
Right.
And we are run out of time. I just want to make sure that everyone out there knows you guys never run out of time. You're open 24/7.
Correct.
Nice.
Crazy. 3 a.m. You find yourself in trouble.
Wow.
You call the defenders. It's great having you, gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good to
Thanks
have
for
you,
having
both of you
us.
The
guys.
Defenders Law Firm. They're available 24/7 and ready in your time of need. They're located in downtown on 4th between Gas and Hoover. And for more, you can visit thedefenders.net or call all threes, 702-333-3333. The Defenders by Richard Harris Law Firm, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blast. Very easy to remember,
Lots of
especially for the
threes.
tourists. All threes.
Can you imagine how many calls they get in the middle of the night? Oh my goodness.
That goes straight to your cell
I
phone.
know, right?